To ensure smooth transactions and prevent future payment blocks on Coinbase, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you maintain a secure and compliant account. Step 1. Verify your identity. Complete the identity verification process by providing the necessary documents. This includes a government-issued ID and proof of address. Ensuring your account is fully verified helps prevent payment issues. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Monitor account activity. Regularly check your account for any suspicious activity. If you notice any unauthorized transactions or unusual login attempts, report them immediately to Coinbase support to prevent potential blocks. Step 4. Maintain compliance with regulations. Stay informed about the regulations and policies related to cryptocurrency transactions in your region. Adhering to these guidelines helps avoid any compliance-related payment blocks. Step 5. Keep your payment methods updated. Ensure that your linked payment methods, such as bank accounts or credit cards, are current and valid. Outdated or incorrect payment information can lead to transaction failures and account restrictions. By following these steps, you can help prevent future payment blocks on your Coinbase account and enjoy a smoother trading experience.